Welcome back, guys. Today I'm here with Beauty Forever here once more. This is the packaging. I got a tote with a drawstring bag on the inside. Everything is nicely branded. All right, so I always love getting this much bags because that adds to storage. All right, then I got some goodies on the inside. I got 2 pairs of HD wig caps. I got a branded elastic headband. I got the wig, all right, which we're gonna go ahead and get into in a few. And then I also got some bye-bye lace tapes, bye-bye knots lace tapes. This is how the wig looks. All right, so this is actually their golden brown highlight Waterwave 7x5 bye-bye knots lace closure glueless wig, and you can see that it came with a deep side part. Everything is pre-done for you, pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached, pre-colored, all that good stuff. It feels so good. It is processed, as you guys can see, so it is on the coarser side. This is the cap construction. Has a comb in the back, adjustable straps. Also, the lace is pretty big, so I do love that. It is pre-bleached, as I mentioned before. The hair is nice and full. I'm gonna be sure to put all the specifications down below, by the way, so go ahead and check that out to see the length, the density, all that good stuff. But look at that. That is gorgeous. Absolutely no adhesive. This is beginner friendly, by the way, so no adhesive needed, nothing. It is very secure in my head. As you can see, I'm giving you guys a shake test, so you see that it will not fall off my head that easy. I did cut away just a tad off the very front, anywhere I felt like didn't have any hair on it but had that cast, and you guys know I'm all about minimizing the cast, so I did go in with my powder after that, and I did proceed to muting out any cast that I feel like was still on the front there, or the hairline rather. Now this is how the wig looks in its dry state. Remember, this is a water wave texture, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the fullness, and I decided that okay, it is nice right throughout, but I feel like I wanted it still take off a bit off the ends just to give it more of that full look. So once you cut hair, it will give a fuller appearance. I did get some shedding, by the way, and I feel like definitely because it's processed, that definitely adds to how much shedding happens, but it really wasn't excessive, but shedding is definitely there, so that's something I need to point out to you guys. So you see, I just cut off like 1 inch off the ends, and it gave a way more really nice full appearance. Look at that. I absolutely love this wig in its dry state, guys. I love this. I think it's perfect for summertime too. This is perfect for a vacation look. I know the girlies love a good vacation. This wig and a vacation goes together real bad. Gorgeous. The waves look absolutely stunning in their dry state, and as I said, everything is so full. Look at that from the back. Yes. And it's glueless. All of this while it's glueless. I'll pretty much get my spray bottle with water, because obviously you guys know I'm going to show you guys this in its wet state as well. After all, it is a Waterwave wig. So I went ahead and I just got this wet right throughout. Just water was in my bottle. If you want to keep the wet look, you could go ahead and add mousse or conditioner, and that will keep your wet look in that state for a very long time. So that's a tip to note. This is how it looks once I get that nice and drenched. All right, it looks so good. I love a good wet look. You guys know this. So I also went ahead and decided that I wanted to give you guys a few more looks. Alright, so you guys know I'm always gonna try to give you like style suggestions. So I did this was my first half up half down look. Got this cute little like flower claw clip, and so easy, so to the point, very beginner friendly. That's all you need to do. Literally, you just get the hair, gather it to the back. That's all you need to do. I did a little swoop vibe in the front, as you can see, and that's it for style, or look number 2 rather, because the first look was me showing you guys the hair in its dry state. So you know, it came with that side part, so I decided to do a center part here, and also 2 little, you know, pieces of like bangs, or it's not really bangs, but just 2 little pieces in the front, as you guys can see right here. And this is our next variation of a half up half down. Instead of bringing the hair like all the way up in the back, I just brought it together and simply, you know, use the clip to hold everything. Very simple but still cute, okay, and still rocking the wet look. Since I didn't add like a lot of products to this, or I didn't add any products to the water, the hair was drying down back really nicely. So as I say, if you want to keep it with the wet look, you could add more products. So like you see me adding some mousse right here, but this mousse isn't too heavy, so you will still get a nice fluff once the hair dries down. But yeah, so this is actually look number 4. Alright, so I decided to go ahead and kind of bring the hair back in its initial state with the side part, but instead of me showing you guys in its dry state, I show you guys with it wet this time, so you guys kind of have a comparison of what it looks like dry and also of what it looks like wet. So I think, you know, both states are absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think down below. But this is the wig look of the day. Shout out to Beauty Forever, they really did that. All right, I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig down below in my description box. All specifications will be listed. All right, so if you're interested, go ahead, check that out. Any deals, any sale going on, please feel free to go ahead and check it out down below.
When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needing, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh.
But yeah, this is it. That is so stunning. I absolutely love it. What more could you ask for in a summer wig? This is perfect. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.